Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Virginia Trace in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco designer home offered at $549,000. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here we are. It's another open house video located here in the village of Virginia Trace. This is located very near Lake Sumter Landing. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco designer home with a 2-car garage. This home is offered at $549,000. And it was built in the year 2005. This home has a roof that was replaced in the year 2020, a hot water heater that was replaced in the year 2018, and an HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2014. The front of this home does face north. I will begin by taking a panoramic view of the street. That is facing east. And that is facing west. It is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. You can see it down there. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice it has a painted and textured concrete driveway. Very good condition. It does have a brick border on the side of the driveway. It does have a 2-car garage as well. And as always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Sheila Davis, your listing agent, or John Trojen, the showing agent today. And I will include both of their contact information in the description of the video. As I walk up to this home, I do notice it has very mature landscaping. It does have a brick walkway to the front of this home in very good condition. You do see that it has an awesome front entry door with glass. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, John. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
I'd be happy to. This is 868 Gilbert Place in Virginia Trace here in the Villages. This is a 1,927 square foot home. The Gardenia model, it's been modified a little bit. You'll notice as you come through that it has a gas fireplace. Not all of them do. So we have guest quarters on this side, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split plan, and beautiful lanai, lots of space, open to a beautiful garden. Love to show you the home.
Okay, thank you, John. I will take my guests on a tour and leave your contact information for them to contact you. Here I am in the foyer area. And the first thing I notice is this beautiful oak floor, very high, knockdown textured ceilings, very wide crown molding. Off to the right of the foyer area, you do have your kitchen and dinette area, and I will visit that area a little bit later in the video. Off to the left, you do see a guest quarter, and like John said before, this is a split bedroom design home. Here in the guest quarter, you do have a guest bedroom with carpeted floors, very high ceilings, crown molding continues, plantation shutters. That is a queen-size bed to give you a perspective of the size of this room. This home is turnkey. You do see the beautiful oak floors in the hallway. Here is your guest bathroom. It has tile floors. It has a pedestal sink that is wallpaper. It has a tub, and the shower surround is tile. It has a window as well. Very light and bright in this room. Off to the front of the home, you do have another guest bedroom. It does have carpeted floors, plantation shutters, cathedral ceilings, wide crown molding on this home. It does have bifold doors on the closet, raised panels. That is the inside of your closet right there, friends. Wire rack shelf. Back into the front of this home, we do have the kitchen and dining area. You do see the beautiful oak floors continuing. Plantation shutters. It has Corian countertops, white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware, electric stove. This home is awesome. It does have a tile backsplash. You can see the tile backsplash as well. This home is awesome. It has a 2-bowl sink. That is a Kohler sink as well. Very high ceilings, recessed lighting in this home. This home is turnkey. This is your dining area and living area. That is a gas fireplace from what John indicated. Very high ceilings. That is a brick surround on that fireplace. Here is your lanai. This lanai does face south. It has a brick floor in that lanai. This is a block and stucco home. Very large lanai, glass doors, light and bright. This yard in the back is extra deep. You could put a swimming pool in here from what I was told. Very nice. I will walk to the corner of this lot, give you an idea of what this yard looks like. There is a better look at your roof. That roof was replaced in the year 2020. This is the back of your home. This yard is extra deep, and it's very noticeable that it's extra deep. Very mature landscaping in very good condition. Let's walk to the front of the, back into this home. You do have French doors leading into the lanai area as well. Very nice. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom area. You do see these beautiful oak floors continuing in the hallway. Primary bedroom does have carpeting in it, plantation shutters, very high ceilings, and wide crown molding. That is a king-size bed right there, friends, to give you perspective on the size of that room. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of the perspective of this home. The specification sheet is, this home is located at 868 Gilbert Place in the Villages, Florida. List price $549,000. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Designer home on a quiet cul-de-sac. There are your room dimensions right there, friends. Living room is 15 by 16. I will turn the specification sheet over. There is no information on the reverse side. There is your primary bathroom area. You do see it has carpeted in the hall. They have closets on the left and right. It does have a sliding pocket door on this walk-in closet. Very nice. And there's the other closet right there. Sliding pocket door. Wire rack shelves in this closet. Does have carpet in it. The bathroom does have tile floors, wainscoting in this bathroom. It has raised panel doors on the linen closet. Let's take a look at that linen closet right there. Very large linen closet, friends. There is your bathroom. That's a solid surface with a powder space, 2 sinks, white cabinets. There are your white cabinets right there. 2 sinks. Updated fixtures. Plantation shutter right there. Here is your commode room right there. It has a sliding pocket door. Frameless glass door on the shower. Plantation shutters with a window. Here is your shower area. Glass door. It is a tile shower. Very nice. Does have a seat as well. Okay, off through the rest of this home, I will take you into that garage area next. Here I am in the laundry area. Those are tile floors in the laundry area. Has a sink, Formica countertop on that sink, white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware. Let's take a look at the garage, friends. Here I am walking into the garage. That epoxy floor looks fairly new and is in very good condition. It is a 2-car garage. It is a block and stucco home. That is your garage space right there. That water heater in the corner right there was replaced in the year 2018. Behind those doors you will find your utility area, your HVAC system. Let's walk back through this home and back out into the street. Give you a last panoramic view of this home. This home is in very good condition. Very nice. Back off into the street. I will show you this home from one last perspective. As I exit the home, I want to give you a last view of this beautiful front entry area. That is a seating area. It is brick paver. That is exiting the home, looking to the right and to the left. As always, friends, if you have any questions about the home, please contact your listing agent, Sheila Davis, or your showing agent today, John Trojen. I will spin around and show you one last view of this home. We are in the village of Virginia Trace. There you have it, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, designer home, offered at $549,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Virginia Trace, in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home is offered at $549,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.